Namaste students, myself JB Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class, B.Ed 4th semester. We will discuss the topic biological control for sustainable agriculture. Biological control is a method of suppressing or controlling the population of undesirable insects, other animals or plants by the introduction, encouragements, or artificial increase of their natural enemies. Characteristics climatic adaptability and synchrony with host life cycle. High reproductive potential, if efficient searchability, short handling time, and survival at low cost density. There are three main techniques of biological control: classical technique, argumentative, and conservation technique. Classical, improving foreign natural enemies to combat the introduced pest. Example: Bedelia beetles applied against cottony cushion scales. Augmentation, it is a tactics of biological control where the effort is made to increase the natural enemies population either by propagation and release or by environmental manipulation. Inductive and inoculative. Conservation. Conservation is defined the action to preserve and increase the natural enemies by environmental manipulation. Agents of biological control, macro agents, vertebrates and invertebrates, invertebrates, insect and arachnids, vertebrates, birds and mammals. Macro agents, bacteria, viruses, fungi, nematodes, and protozoa. Some important insect and their natural enemies: insect pest and natural enemies. Pod borer, second aphids and whitefly, tobacco caterpillar, leaf hoppers, spider mites and yellow mites. Vertebrates, birds, class abies. Some birds such as swifts, warblers are almost exclusively insect predators. Moles, bats, class Mammalia, soil-dwelling mammals are predators on wild grubs and the pupal stage of many flies and moths. Bats feed exclusively on small flying insects. The little brown bat may forage up to 30 miles away from home and eat more than half its weight in increase every night. Microagents, fungus. Natural populations of insects are commonly attacked by fungal pathogens. Fungi are slow to kill their host. The fungal mycelium usually invades all body tissue and may eventually cause suffocation by blocking the tracheal system. Bacteria, members of the genus Bacillus, are especially important as biological control agents. Some of these bacteria causes turbidity of body fluids, other species from toxic proteins crystals in conjunctions with spore formation. Name of pathogens, brand name and host range. Virus, the use of entomopathic viruses for insect control is still in its infancy. Many of these pathogens appear to have good potential as biocontrol agents because they are relatively host specific. Nematodes, there are over 300 species of nematodes that are known to attack insect. Most of the research in biological controls, however, has focused on only two genera, Stenimania and Heterorevortes. Protozoa, most species of entomopathic protozoa causes chronic infections that weakens but do not kill their host. For example, for this reason, there is little interest in these organisms as biocontrol agents. Thank you.